When it's raining hard, you need shelter. And away from home, the rain of challenges and everyday events can mean that you need support, really. That's what this song kind of feels in this song. In its original recording, this song brings together three very different sounds from rural areas, from the Ugenya area of Western Kenya, from the Berry region in France, and from Indian traditional music as well. So let's support each other in these rainy times and come together and hear the warmth that this song brings to our hearts.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sabrina.